That's why I'm sitting here on my floor. I have nothing left. My house is empty. I had to sell all my stuff. Okay, guys. I've had it. I'm quitting the stock market. I am down to my last dollar. It's been a good run. I came in with $23,000 in the stock market in 2019, and I've gone up to $349,000 in less than 2 years. But because the market's down right now and I don't see any hope for it, I don't see any reason to continue in the stock market. I don't see any reason to continue going at it. All I wanted was to get rich quick. I wanted to put my money in there and have it just grow, go to the moon. But it went to the moon and then it came right back down. It was supposed to stay up there forever. But now it's coming back down. We're still in space. We're still doing very well. But I'm very sad that I couldn't stay at the moon. I've gone from 23,000 to 150,000 now. That's where I'm at. And I'm sad. Over the last month, I've lost $200,000. Well, I'm still at $150,000, which is still up $125,000 or so. But it's all a scam. It's all a scam. That's my conclusion. Because I couldn't stay up forever. The stock market's a scam. I'm quitting and I'm done. It's over. I'm going to take whatever I have left, my dollar. I don't believe in my companies anymore. I don't believe in ChargePoint. I don't believe in Tattoo Chef. I don't believe in Open Door or SoFi, IPOE SoFi. I don't believe in Net, Cloudflare. I don't believe in Jumia anymore. What are those scam companies? They're supposed to be great companies. Why are their stocks going down? What's wrong with them? Their management sucks. They're supposed to take my stocks to the moon. They're supposed to make me rich overnight and stay there. It's only been a few months since I started investing in them. I should be a millionaire already. So, Tattoo Chef, scam chef. Open Door, close the door behind you. Jumia, the Amazon of Africa, more like the Ponzi scheme of Africa. I don't know. I just can't take it anymore. So I have to call it quits. I am so sad. Oh my God. That's why I'm sitting here on my floor. I have nothing left. My house is empty. I had to sell all my stuff to get enough money to buy Dogecoin and GameStop. Those went up to the moon and then they came back down. That's not supposed to be how it works. It's supposed to get rich quick. Since I gave all my stuff away, pawned it all off, I don't even have a computer desk anymore. I don't even have a laptop anymore. Or chairs to sit on. I put it all into Dogecoin and SafeMoon and whatever else that I thought would take me to the moon and stay there forever. Overnight. Over a few weeks or a few months. And that all came crashing down on me because I was trying to get rich quick. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but I just couldn't help it. I wanted to come out here and get rich and go on the yacht, buy myself a yacht, get all the girls, throw a house party, and It just didn't happen. What ended up happening was I lost all my money. Well, I still have $150,000 in the scam market, but that's not enough. It's not where I was in February. I was at $350,000, more money than I've ever seen in my life. And now I'm only at $150,000 from $23,000. What kind of scam is that? So, I'm just going to sit here in my corner and just wallow in my sorrow. Let's sing a song for the rich. Let's sing a song for the falling. My brothers and my sisters, in the journey to get rich quick, we tried to go to the moon. We reached pretty close, but it came crashing down on us. We're better off than we started, but that's not good enough. We wanted our riches quick, and we will take nothing less. We can't wait more than a few months. We can't take these hedge funds shorting our stocks. It's over. We're left with the dollar and our camera. And all we can do is ask Mr. Washington, why did you let us down? You were supposed to make us rich overnight. But it's over now. The GameStops and the Dogecoins and the Bitcoins, they're all falling down. Lord, somebody save us. The hedge funds are eating our lunch. The rich are getting fatter, and all that's left for the retail is sorrow. We didn't get rich quick. We tried our very best. Time has run out, and there's no more time for us. We can't hold. We try to have diamond hands, but today we're down 11% in a single day. It's all coming down. And now we're singing this sad song, looking pathetic on the internet, on our YouTube vlogs, crying about how the suits have done us dirty once again. Those darn suits, they always come for us. They won't let us win forever. We had high hopes. We bet on the specs, but it let us down. And now we're singing sad songs in the corner of our rooms. One day we'll be back, but it won't be the same. We try to get rich overnight, despite what they told us, despite the bull mentality. We're supposed to invest in what we know, what we understand, what we believe in. And we're supposed to hold for the long term. Because that's how we build wealth in this country, so they say. But we just couldn't do it. Now it's over. We're selling for losses. We're down $200,000. And we say, screw the bull mentality. It's not working. It hasn't worked in the last month. I can't bear to watch my stocks go down. It's over. So I'm singing this sad song. I'm going to hit this like. Because who the hell is this guy in the corner of his room singing to me about what I should and shouldn't do? Why does he keep saying, practice the bull mentality? He says to buy and hold, but I don't get it. I want to be rich now. I want my stocks to go up to the right and to the moon. But it just isn't persistent. Somebody stop this sad song. Somebody make it stop. Somebody take us back to 2020, when all was green and all the happy people came running in with big eyes and dreams of being rich off of the next big stock, the next 100x opportunity. They told me to just buy and it would go up. They told me I could just put my money in the stock market and watch it go up. I could be a day trader and just live on my dividends. But it's not working. None of it's working. My growth stocks are failing me. The dividends are not enough, they're just pennies. So what is there for a retail investor to do but quit and call it a day, call it a year, call it a scam and live in poverty? It's over.